In this lesson, I'll show you how to write an equation for a tangent along a parabola. In part 1, we're asked to write the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to x squared at x is equal to 2. The tangent is a line, so it can be represented as y is equal to mx plus b, where m represents your slope and b represents the y-intercept. The tangent line in this parabola at the point 2 and 4 is shown right here. Remember, the whole purpose behind finding the derivative of a function is to obtain a function where we can substitute a value of x into it and find how fast a particle at that point is moving. And every time we substitute a point into the derivative, we're actually finding the slope of the tangent at that point. So what we can do is find the derivative of y is equal to x squared. Let me show you. Y prime is equal to 2x. I use the power rule here. And if I substitute x is equal to 2, I end up with y prime at 2 is 4. This means that at this exact point, 2 and 4, the slope is 4. Or in other words, 4 units of y per x. So now that we found our slope, remember this is our slope, we can substitute this into here. Y is equal to 4x plus b. Now we need to find an equation. So we have to fill out this b. The way we fill out this b is we use the point that's been provided, 2 and 4. So I'm going to substitute 4 into my y. 4 is equal to 4 times 2 plus b. Bringing that over, 4 minus 8 is equal to b, and that is equal to negative 4. Therefore, the line that represents this tangent is y is equal to 4x minus 4. In part B, we're asked to find the equation of the normal at the same point. The normal is the line that exists at 90 degrees. So this line right here is at 90 degrees or is perpendicular to the line that we just found. The slope of this perpendicular line is the negative reciprocal of this line. So we'll call this slope m2. m2 is equal to negative 1 over m1, where the slope here is m1. If I substitute 4 into m1, I end up with negative a quarter for the slope of the normal. My equation is y is equal to negative a quarter of 4x plus b. The only point that I know is 2 and 4, so I'm going to substitute 2 and 4 into this. 4 is equal to negative 2 over 4 plus b. Bringing this term over, we end up with 4 plus a half is equal to b, and that is equal to 4.5 or 9 over 2. Therefore, my equation for the normal is negative 1 over 4x plus 9 over 2. And there you have it. That is how to write an equation for a tangent along a parabola.